Meta just released SAM 3D, a new AI model that can recognize and segment objects in full 3D. Instead of working with flat images, it understands point clouds and spatial geometry, making it super useful for designers, architects, and anyone working with 3D environments. It's very easy to use. Just search SAM 3D on Google and click the first link from Meta AI. That's the site we'll be using. For the web version, go to the playground and keep clicking Try It. You'll see several options, but for now, we're going to use Create 3D Scene. Simply upload an image that contains buildings or furniture. For the first example, I'm using an aerial photo. Here you can select the building you want to convert into 3D. Just keep clicking More until the pink highlight fully covers the entire building. You can also add another object, and the tool will generate both models in the same scene. From there, you can rotate, zoom, and adjust the view. The spatial relationship between the two objects stays very close to the original photo, and the building's scale, overall form, and details are all captured quite well.
Nano Banana AI
In my previous video, I used
now.
Nano Banana to achieve a similar function, so if you're interested in that workflow, feel free to check out that video as well.
Want to learn how to do it? Let's jump in.
Okay, back to SAM 3D. Once the model is generated, you'll see options to add 3D effects. They aren't strictly architecture focused, but they do create some really cool visual results. I'm thinking some of these effects could actually be useful for architecture presentations, web design, or even online portfolios. They add a bit of motion and depth, which can make your visuals feel more dynamic and engaging. It can also add visual filters like snow or rain to the model, but they don't really fit the architectural concept. You can add backgrounds too. It's fun to play with, but not always the best match for design presentations. Once everything is set, you can download the result as a video, an image, or a 3D model. The PLI file can be opened directly in Blender, or you can convert it to another 3D format if you want to bring it into SketchUp or other software. I think SAM 3D works best for interior design, especially for extracting furniture from interior photos. Since furniture usually has fewer details than full architectural structures, the results are more reliable. This can be really useful for creating mood boards with your team or clients. You can pull a model straight from a photo, then place it in your interior scene to see if it fits. Here, we can add or remove models from the image if we like. So if a piece of furniture doesn't fit the style or layout, you can simply delete it and replace it with another extracted model. Here are some more examples of how I've used SAM 3D to extract buildings from different scenes. This workflow is actually quite useful for building a quick 3D context model of the surrounding environment. You can take buildings directly from reference photos, turn them into simple 3D forms, and place them around your main project. It's not meant for detailed architectural modeling, but for early-stage massing, urban context studies, or rapid visualization, it works surprisingly well. Drop your comments below if you have any suggestions or ideas. I'd love to hear what features you want me to explore next, or how you think this tool could fit into your design workflow.